My people, this is Paul from Mr. Paul Web Design Agency. I want to share my new amazing script with my customers. This is a crypto wallet script, and it has a P2P features as well. It works like Paxful. One thing I like about this is the wallet is managed by the admin. So all the crypto wallet that is generated by the user is managed by the admin. So that means you can change the wallet, you can place your own wallet. It is a self-hosted wallet. So, and it has amazing scripts, amazing design, and it's very, very, very mobile friendly. So you don't have to have problem when you are using it on your mobile phone. Like this is a sell crypto this thing. If you want to sell your cryptocurrency, if you want to buy, this is the P2P features that is on the website, and it has a lot of pages. To save our time, let us get started by registering an account. I'm going to use this email. Let's register. So now we need to verify the email address. Okay. Six six two 665. Okay. I just put it in the month thing there. It's loading. It's loading. Okay. One thing about this dashboard is it is very mobile friendly, so you don't have to worry when you are using it from your phone. And this is the KYC notification. So if you want to submit your KYC, just click it here and submit your KYC, but we're not doing that right now. So I'm going to, and this is a referral link. What is a referral link? This is actually I activated 4 wallets. This is BTC wallet, Ethereum wallet, USDT, and LTC. So let's assume that I want to generate that as a user. The user wants to generate Ethereum wallet. So there is no wallet, as you can see. There is no transaction. So let's just go to wallet. Let's just go to wallet. So before you generate wallet. Before you generate wallet, you have to submit your KYC first for security reason. So I'm just going to just find something to upload. Submit. Okay, the wallet. Okay, the KYC has been submitted, and let me go to the admin. KYC unverified user. KYC pending. If you want to see the KYC data, you see it for here, then let me approve it. Okay, let us reload. Okay, so the account is now activated and verified. So let's go back to the wallet. So now I cannot generate wallet. So we have USDT, we have LTC, we have Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's assume that I want to generate Bitcoin wallet. So generate new BTC wallet, and it has a dash then it has a graph that shows the price. So now the wallet has been generated, saying loading, because the admin has not pasted the wallet for this user. So now let's come here, wallet settings. So we have a lot of wallet that we've generated, and this is the username I just created, testing 2014, and the currency is Bitcoin. Let me edit it and paste. Let me just paste this as the new wallet. Okay, it's saved already. Let's reload. So it is a self-managed wallet. So assume that money has been sent to this Bitcoin wallet, and you want to credit the user. So you just come here under the users, active users, then click on the account. Okay, add balance, then select the wallet. Let's say it's BTC that we just created. So now okay, funds have been handed to that wallet. As you can see, it's there, and you can also withdraw your Bitcoin. So you can also withdraw your Bitcoin by placing wallet. Say 0.00, let me just want small amount. So the withdrawal has been requested successfully. So if we come back to the dashboard, as you can see, this script as you can manipulate the price, as in your exchange rate, your Bitcoin rate. So now the money I added, and this is it in US dollar, 1,398.83 cents US dollar. So this is where you manage, this is where you set up your currency price. Like now, this Bitcoin, you can see this is your rate. So if you want it to be 62 or 65, if you want it to be cheaper than the other wallet, or if you want it to be more expensive than the other companies, so you set your price here. This is where you set your price. So if you want to be charging for percentage for deposit, or you want to be charging for to withdraw, this is where you set it also. So, and if you want to add more wallets, let's assume that you want to add another wallet, maybe you want to add Shiba Inu, or you want to add Dogecoin, you just click new wallet, you put the picture, the name, the code, the rate, the percentage of the then you also add the percentage of transactions. Then that is it. What is that about? Okay, let me just add money to, let me create USDT wallet and add money. Create USDT wallet. It was like that's loading. Then I go back to my admin, wallet settings, the same user, test 2024, edit wallet. Okay. Okay, the wallet has been added. So now I'm going to fund it, and you can also fund the account without even creating without even adding any wallet. Let's fund the account. Add balance USDT, $5,000. Demo. So that is $5,000. So now there is one thing again about this. Okay, if you want to check your transactions, these are the transaction. So this is the transaction details, and let's come back here. Yes. See now, this is the transaction on OliBTC. The amount that I withdraw and the amount that I deposited. So that is it. The green is deposit, the red is withdrawal. So now let's come to this place, this trading aspects. So there is no trade here. So here now, let's assume that you want to sell. Let's assume that you want to sell your Bitcoin now. You want to sell it. You click it. You click the fiat. We have US fiat. So if you want to add other currency apart from US, you can also add it from the admin. So now, to save our time, let's see some other adverts. People that want to sell, like now, this is action. So if I want to buy Bitcoin from this person with gift card, with local transfer, with PayPal, whatever. So now I can just click on this. Okay, this is from Mr. Paul Exchange. So I can tell the person how much I want to buy, and so once I tell the person how much I want to buy, then we can have a conversation just exactly like Passful. That is how it works. And also for the security aspect, it has a ticket system that you can, maybe if you have any complaint, you can submit a ticket to the admin. And also it has a referral program. You can change your password, and you can do your profile settings. You can upload your avatar. Let's I want to upload this. Yeah, I've changed my avatar. As you can see, it's already changed, and it has language translator: English, Espanol, French, like Turkish, and you can add another language you want. And it also has a two-factor settings. Yeah, it has a two-factor, so you can log in with two-factor. So if you have a running trade, this is where you see your trade, your completed trade. This is where you see them. So if you are interested in getting this script, just message me and I will set it up for you. Thank you.